Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen assembly on the iPhone 12 Pro Max mobile phone. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Next, undo the two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, take out the screen from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the edges of the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, use a suction cup to lift the screen. Use the suction cup at the bottom to raise the screen and gently pull the screen to create a gap for inserting a plastic upright tool or triangular picker. Next, work around the screen to free up the rubber gaskets around the frame. This process will take time and needs patience. Once the screen is free, open it to 90-degree angle from right to the left. Please note that the flex cables are still attached and be extra careful with them. Next, remove the LCD connector shield by undoing 4 screws. And then remove the earpiece assembly connector shield by unscrewing 4 screws. Gently handle the LCD cables carefully while unscrewing. Once the shields are removed, first disconnect the battery connector. And then unplug the LCD connector, followed by the earpiece assembly plug from the logic board. Next, free the broken screen from the body. If your screen is severely cracked, gently remove the pieces and clean the frame edges neatly. Next, remove the earpiece assembly from the broken screen. First, remove the 4 screws securing the speaker and sense assembly, and then gently pry it away from the screen. Next, gently flip the earpiece assembly unit to access the light sensor, and then apply some heat to soften the adhesive. Next, gently pry the sensor and microphone part to release the complete unit from the body. Next, on the new screen, gently place the sensor and earpiece assembly unit. And then secure it by adding 4 screws. Take your time and be gentle with flex cables. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive to the frame. Please note this tape will not completely protect the device against any liquid. Next, gently align the front screen assembly with the frame. Start by connecting the earpiece assembly plug and then secure the LCD connector plug. Once they are secured in place, reconnect the battery plug safely to the logic board. Next, turn on the device for testing. And then secure the LCD connector shield by adding 4 screws. And the earpiece sensor shield by adding 4 screws. Next, install the screen. Begin by aligning the top edge of the display with the frame and then gently press down to lock it in place. Next, work your way along the sides and bottom to snap the screen securely to the frame. Always apply even pressure along the edges to ensure proper seal. Finally, secure the phone by adding two screws to the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.